Hi, I'm Ed Reyes with Master Builders here in Tampa, Florida on behalf of Expert Village. I'm going to teach you the proper use of an electric scroll saw. Now this particular unit has a very nifty little thing in it, blade storage. It's important to have blades on you because if you're in the middle of a project and a blade snaps, and they do snap occasionally because it's such a thin blade, it's time saving to have them on the unit. You don't have to go to a toolbox, whatever. They supply a little unit right here that slides out. This little unit right here holds all different sizes of blades. They're all about the same thickness because it's a scroll saw, and you need a very, very thin blade to cut your corners. This thing is really nice, comes in handy because you can put storage blades in here and slide it back in, and it locks in. The best thing about it is time. If you can change a blade within a couple of minutes if you just pull it out and make sure you put a few blades for storage.